So let us start our class. Okay, so in the last video I have given the laws, so proof was left, so now we will do the proof. Okay, so what was the first law? That log mn base a will be what? Log m to base a plus log n base a. This law is known as what? Product formula. Okay, or product law also you can say, product law or product formula. Okay, anything you can say this product formula or product law. Okay, so let us see the proof now. Okay, proof of this formula. So we will consider this as x and we will consider this as what? Y. Okay, at first, so let log m base a will be x and log n base a to be y. Let us consider this to be x and this to be what? Y. Okay, now which implies I can say, if I take that base to here, means what? M will be equal to what? A to the power x. So this will go in exponential form, right? If I take this base over here, it will go to what? Logarithm form. Very simple thing. Okay, logarithm is simply the what? Value of the what? Exponent, right? It gives the value of the exponent. So if I take this base over here, it will go to exponential form. So m is equal to a to the power x, that we have discussed in the last class. Similarly over here, m will be equal to what? A to the power y. Same thing. Now very simple. If I do m into n, okay, if I do m into n, means what? Means a to the power x will also multiply with what? A to the power y. Left hand side into left hand side means what? Equal to right hand side into right hand side. A to the power x into a to the power y. Okay, so which implies mn will be equal to, now index law you have already done index law. Okay, same base and multiplication sign is there, means what? The powers will become what? Plus, right? So the powers will add up. Okay, you have got now this law, a to the power m into a to the power n, a to the power m plus n, right? So same thing, base are same, product is there, so power is added up. Okay, so that mn is equal to what? A to the power x plus y. Very simple. Okay, now take this base to left hand side. From exponential form, it will go to what? Logarithm form. So over here it will go to what? Logarithm form. That means what? Log mn base a will be equal to what? X plus y. Now simply substitute the value of x and substitute the value of y. Your answer you will get. So which implies log mn base a will be equal to, what is the value of x? Log m base a plus log n base a. So this is our first law, which is known as product law or product formula. Okay, so let us see the second law, which is known as quotient law or quotient formula you can say. So what was that? Second law, that is our law number what? 2. What was that law? That log m by n base a will be equal to log m base a minus log n base a. Done. Same way this one you can do by yourself also. So you can say solution, let log m base a will be equal to x and consider that to be what? Y. Log n base a to be y. Okay, so which implies, take it to exponential form, m will be equal to what? A to the power x, which implies n will be equal to what? A to the power y. So now I am going to do what? M divided by n. Okay, so therefore m divided by n will be equal to what? A to the power x divided by a to the power y, which implies m by n. Apply again index law over here, base same and divide is there, so powers will get what? Subtracted, right? A to the power x minus y. Take it to logarithm form, that is log m by n will be equal to x minus y. Now simply put the value of x and put the value of y, and we will have our what? We will have our answer. So what is the value of x? The value of x is log m base a minus log n base a. So this is our answer. Okay, very very simple proof. Let us see law number 3. Okay, so what is law number 3? That is known as what? Power law. Okay, law of power, power formula or power law. Okay, so what was that law? Law number 3, log m base a to the power, if I write the power p, then this p will come in front, means p into log m base a. Over here product sign is there. Okay, p into log m base a. Okay, so how to prove this one? Start the proof. Let consider this part, log m base a to be x, take it to exponential form, which implies m will be equal to what? A to the power x. Now you see over here what is there? M to the power p. So we need what? We need p power. Okay, what we need? Over m we need the power p. So I will write m to the power p will be equal to, if I take p power on left hand side, then on right hand side also what I have to take p power. That means a to the power x to the power p. Both left hand side and right hand side same thing, to the power p. Okay, so you can write over taking pth power. Okay, so now we are close to our answer. This will become what? Again apply indices law. A to the power m to the power m, power and then again power. So what? The powers will get what? Multiplied, right? So this will become what? X into what? P. This will become x into p. Now simple thing, take it to logarithm form. This a you bring inside, it will go to logarithm form. Log m to the power p base a will be equal to what? X into p. Or I can write log m to the power p will be equal to what? P into x. Commutative property of multiplication, x into p, p into x, same thing, right? So which implies last line, log m to the power p base a will be equal to what? P into, put the value of x, that is what? Log m base a. And that is our third law, which is known as what? Power law, or you can say power formula. What was the second law? Quotient law. Okay, quotient law or quotient formula. Okay, the fourth law, that is known as what? Change of base. The fourth law, we called this as what? We called fourth law as change of our base. Okay, so log say b base c, let me consider log b base c only. This is log number 4, log b base c. So say I will change the base to a, so log b base a and log simple c base a. This is the law known as what? Known as change of base. Okay, so I will consider this as what? X. Okay, let consider log, wait, this will come over here, c to the power x. Okay, consider this as x. Log b base c will be equal to what? X. Let log b base c, we will consider this as what? X. So which implies our b will be equal to what? C to the power x. Our b will be equal to what? C to the power x. Understood? This one we have got, right? Now consider this one, log b base a. Now log b base a will be equal to, I can write log a, and in place of b I can write what? C to the power x. C to the power x. Okay, so this one you give as what? Equation 1. Over here you write what? From 1. Very simple. In place of b I have written what? C to the power x. Okay. So which implies log b base a will be equal to, now use the law 3, the power law. This x power will come what? Front. Okay. So I can write this one x log c base a. Done. Okay. So put the value of x, log b base a will be equal to, what is the value of x? The value of x is log b base c. Log b base c into what is there? Log c base a. Done. So substitute the value log b base c equal to I need, right? So log b base c, take this is multiplied over here. So if it comes to this place, it will become what? It is product. Over here it will become what? Divide, right? So bring this one over here. So which implies this will come down, that is log b base a. Log b base a divided by log c base a will be equal to what? What will remain? Log b base c. So this is our what? Change of base. You can write by flipping this one. Log b base c will be equal to log b base a log c base a. This is our change of base. Understood? Simply you consider this one as x. Take it to exponential form. Put the value of b over here. Flip it here and there. You will get the answer. Very, very simple. Our 4 laws. Okay. So any one proof may come in your exam. Okay. You practice this 4 laws. Okay. Okay. So let us move back to the exercise. We were in 3.1. I think so. Till question number 3 we have discussed in our last video. So let us start with question number 4. Okay, question number 4, what is there? Log 10 base 100. Log 10 base 100. So see, we will do this one in 2 ways. Okay, in one more way I will do this one. Okay, so first thing, say if the question would have been opposite. Okay, the opposite of this question, then it would have been good, right? That like that question, if 100 would have been here, 10 would have been the base, then the question would have been what? Pretty simple. So let us make the question pretty simple. So solution, one corollary I have given to you, right? That if I want to change them, then it will become what? 1 divided by. So I can write this one as 1 divided by log 100 base 10. Pretty simple, isn't it? So 1 divided by log, now this 100 I can write what? 10 square. Then 1, this power will come front side, log 10 base 10. What is log 10 base 10? 1, 2 1 ja 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. Simple. Very, very simple. Okay. So again apply the change of base formula. By that way also we can do. Okay. Say I want to make the base what? 10. 10 will be the common base, right? For 100 also and for 10 also. So I can do like that also, log 10 base 10 and log 100 base 10. Just now what we have applied, the change of base law. Okay. 4th law. I have changed the base to 10. So this will be equal to what? This will be equal to log 10 base 10 is what? 1. And this log 100 base 10 is what? Log 100 base 10 is what? 2 or not? Okay, I am doing it again. Log 10 and 10 square. So 1 by 2 into log 10 base 10. So 1 by 2 into 1 is what? 1 by 2. Again we have got the answer. Understood? One more way we can do this one. So see the another way. That way is also very important. In some question we will apply that one. But this one, log, we have to find what? Log 10 base 100, right? Okay. So consider this as x. Okay. Let log 10 base 100 is equal to what? X. But take it to exponential form, which implies 10 will be equal to what? 100 to the power x. Now I need the value of this. That means I need the value of what? X. So I need to find x. X is in the power. So if I need to find the power, I have to match the base. Very simple. You see, I need the value of this. This is equal to x. So I need x. Means I need the power. If I need the power, I have to match the base. So I will match the base in both sides. Okay. So see, which implies 10 will be equal to 100. I can write as what? 10 square, and then to the power what? X. Okay, which implies 10 to the power, what I can write? This power will get multiplied, right, in this formula. So twice x. Okay, so see over here, base and base is same, so our power will be what? Equal. Over here the power is what? 1, and over here the power is what? Twice x, which implies 2 is multiplied over here. Over here it will be 1 by 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to 1 by 2, and what is our x? Our x is our question, that is log 10 base 100 is equal to what? 1 by 2. So 3 way we can do. This way is also very important. Some question we will apply this way, and you see change of base we have done. So in 3 different ways we have done. Whichever way you like, you can do in that way. Okay. Okay. So next question, question number 5. Question number 5. Log 256 base 4. Okay. Question number 5. Log 256 base 4. Solution very simple. Log 4 log 256. You know how many 256? 16 square. I know about 16 square, but I need in 4. Since the base is 4, so I need the answer in 4. See, I know 16 square is what? 256. But no, 16, then I have to do double time. Sorry, 2 times you have to do, okay? But directly I will do. So I know 16 is again how many? 16 is again 4 square. So this is 2 to the 4. So 4 to the power 4 is what? 256. I need this in the base of what? 4. So 256 I will write as what? 4 to the power 4. This 4 will come front side. Log 4 base 4 will be equal to what? 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Now for example, if you don't know 4 to the power 4, say suppose you don't know 4 to the power 4, you only know that 16 square is 256. Then what? Then nothing. You have to do is 2 times, that is log 4. You write 16 square. 2 will come front side, 2 log 16 4. That is 2 log. Now 16, this one you know, 16 is what? 16 is 4 square. Again this 2 will come front side. So 2 into 2 log 4 base 4. 4 into 1, that is 4. So anyhow you will get the answer. But see, twice we have to do. So lesser number of steps, more number of steps. Okay. Understood? Anyway you will get the answer. Okay, next question number 6. Log 216 root 6 will be what? 6. So solution log 216. Do you know what is 216 in terms of 6? It is 6 cube. Remember, okay? 6 cube is 216. So I can write 216 as what? 6 cube. Now, what happens when you remove the square root? I think you know, you have done in class, in maths you have done, chapter 1. Square root if you remove, that is what? To the power half. Isn't it? 6 to the power half. Why? Because it is square root. If it will be cube root, say cube root of 6, then it will become 6 to the power 1 by 3. That is cube root. So that's why it's 1 by 3. If it is fourth root, then it is 1 by 4. So remember this one. Since it is square root of 6, either we write in this way or like this also, okay? But we don't write the 2 over here. But there is a 2. That means what? 6 to the power 1 by 2. Okay? I think you know this one already. So implies, equal to log base is 6. Now again you see over here, base is same and multiplied, right? This is what into is there. So base is same. So power will get what? Added up. 3 plus 1 by 2. Over here into is there, right? 216 into root 6. So 6 cube into 6 to the power half. Base same. Power will get what? Added up. Okay. So solve log 6 to the power. Take the LCM. What will happen? This will become nothing but what? 3 whole 1 by 2, or take it to improper fraction. 3 to the 6 plus 1. 7 by 2. Okay, 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. So 7 by 2, take it in the front side using log 3 product power log. So your answer will be what? 7 by 2 into 1 is what? 7 by 2. Now I don't know whether the answer is in improper fraction or mixed fraction. Okay, I have to check that one, whether the answer is in improper fraction or mixed fraction. It is in improper fraction only, 7 by 2. Okay. Okay, next number 7. Question number 7 is what? Log 125 and then what? Base is 25. Log 125 base what? 25. So how you will do this one? How we will do this one? 1 divided by, if we do, can we do like that? 1 divided by, the problem will not get solved, right? The problem will not get solved, isn't it? If I write over here 125 and over here 25, then also the problem is not solved. Okay, over here also, can you express 125 in terms of 25? Can you express 125 in terms of 25? No. So what is the common link? What is the common link? The common link is what? I can express 125 in terms of 5 cube. And I can express 25 also in terms of 5. That is what? 5 square. So let us apply change of base then. Change the base to 5. Very simple. Just understand like that. What is the common link? The common link is 5. So solution, change of base, change the base to 5. That is 125 base 5 and log 25 base 5. So log 125 is how much? 5 cube, right? This is 5 cube. 25, this is very simple, 5 square. This 3 will come front side, isn't it? That is 3 log 5 base 5, 2 log 5 base 5, 3 log 5 base 5, 2 log 5 base 5. This will become 1. Over here also 1. That is what? Answer is what? 3 by 2. What is the answer? The answer is 3 by 2. 5 base 5 is 1. Over here also 5 base 5 is 1. Or you can say log 5 base 5, log 5 base 5 cancelled. The answer is what? 3 by 2. Suppose this way some problem came, unable to do in this way. So let us try a different way. A different way was what? Considering what? Considering x. So let us consider x. One more way. One more way. Let this x method also is very important. Okay, it will help you. If you cannot do by change of base, then this method will help you. Okay, so very simple. After considering x, take it to exponential form. That is 125 will be equal to 25 to the power x. Understood? Now what is the rule? That you need x, you need over here x. X is the power, so you have to match the base. If you need the power, you match the base. If you need the base, you match the power. If you want power, make your base same. If you need base, make your power same. Very simple. So I need x. X is power, so I will match the base. That is 5 cube and that is what? 5 square and x. So 5 cube and 5, 2 into x is what? This will get multiplied, right? So 2 into x is twice x, 5, base same. So our power will also become what? Same. So 2 will come over here, that is 3 by 2 is equal to x. That is our x is equal to 3 by 2. What is our x? That is our question. That is log 125 base 25 is 3 by 2. Any method you like, you can do. Okay? Very, very simple. Isn't it? Logarithm is not that tough. Okay? Especially class 9 logarithm, I don't think so. There are very much difficult calculations are there. That much difficult calculations are not there. Okay? So, you will find this chapter very easy. Something new, this one for you. For the first time you have got. So, okay, how much we have done? Until this much done. Number 8. Let us do question number 8 then. Question number 8. Log square root of 5.008. Okay, so what is the relation? Directly can we do? Directly can we do or we cannot do? If you are not getting any relation, consider it as x. Okay. Say for example, I am not getting any relation. What is the relation with the base? So consider it to be as what? X. Okay, we will do by x method only now. Say I don't know what is the relation. After doing, you will know the relation. But say for example, I don't know the relation, so I will consider x. Let x equal to what? Sorry, let means same thing only, but still 0.008. Okay, 0 is not written, so we will also not write 0. Okay. Okay, now take it to exponential form. That is what? 0.008 will be equal to what? Root over 5 to the power x. It's simple. Take it to fraction. Take this one to fraction. That is what? 8 by 1000. 8 by 1000 to the power what? Root over 5. How can I break root over 5? That will become what? 5 to the power 1 by 2. So I can say 5 to the power 1 by 2 to the power x. Done. To the power x. Got? So how we will break this one? Shall I write like that? Shall I write like that? 8 by 1000. So you see, try yourself in your rough notebook. See how you can break, how you can match them. I will show you. Say for example, I don't know. So how shall I try? 8. I can write 8 as what? 2 cube. 1000 how? I can write 1000 as 10 cube. 8 I can write as 2 cube. 1000 10 cube. Now what? Now what can I do? I can write then 2 by 10 whole cube. Something happened or what? You see? Nothing happened, right? Let me cancel. 2 1 are 2. 2 5 are 10. 1 by 5 3. 1 by 5 3. 1 by 5 I can take it to what? 5, isn't it? One index law you have got that a to the power minus m is equal to what? 1 by a to the power m. That means in the last video I have said this one, that if you reciprocal the base, your power sign will change. So over here the base is 5. So if I reciprocal this one, that is what? 5 to the power what will happen? Minus 1 to the power 3. Or not? 5 to the power minus 1 to the power 3. That is means what? 5 to the power minus 3. Got? We have got this one. Over here what will get? 5 to the power minus 3. In another way also you can do. How is that one? That one is very simple. 8 1 ja, cancel this one. 8 1 ja 8. 8 1 ja 8. 9 10 20. 8 2 ja 16. 40. 8 5 ja 40. How much? 1 by 125. Okay. This is equal to what? 5 to the power. What is 1 by 2 into x? 1 by 2 into x is very simple. What? X by 2 or not? What is 1 by 2 into x? X by 2. 1 by 2 into x or not? That is x1 ja x by 2. X by 2, isn't it? So over here 5 to the power x by 2. See, this way also you can bring 5 to the power minus 3, and like this also you can bring 5 to the power minus 3. Okay. Now how 125, how I can write? That is 1 by 5 cube. That is 5 x by 2. Now see, over here it is 1 by 5. I need 5. So if I reciprocal 1 by 5, what will happen? 5 to the power plus 3 will become what? Minus 3. So any way you can do this one. Okay, up to you. Either this way, whatever way comes to your head or comes to your brain, use that way. No need to follow like that. Whatever way you like, you can do. If you say you want this one, 2 cube by 10 cube, then 2 by 10 cancel. 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. Do by that way. If you say directly I will cancel 8 and 1000, okay, then do by this way. Okay, now 1 by 5. 1 by 5, if I reciprocal 1 by 5, that will become what? 5. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 5? The base over here is what? 1 by 5. If I reciprocal this base, that means the reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5. So this power will become what? From plus 3 to minus 3. Which will be equal to 5 to the power again what? X by 2. Done? 5 to the power x by 2. Now again base same. So our power will also be same. So same thing over here also you get any method you like. Okay. So now you know the relation. The relation is what? The base is 5. So you can do this one by change of base also. What will be your base? Your base will be 5. Okay. You just make the base 5. Over here also make the base 5. That is log 0.008 base 5 divided by log root 5 base 5. You will get the answer. Okay, let me solve this one at first. That is which implies 5 base is same. So minus 3 will be equal to what? X by 2. So cross multiply, our x will be equal to minus 6. What is our x? Our x is our quotient. That is log 0.008 root over 5 will be equal to minus 6. So you have got the answer. Okay, so from here what we have understood, that the common base is what? Means our, what is the base that we have to change? That is 5. So if you want, you can do by change of base also. That is log 0.008, change the base to 5. That is log root over 5 and base 5. Now you know, rest you can do. 0.008 is how much? 0.008 is, that is log 5. That is what? 0.008 is 8 by 1000. What is 8 by 1000? 1 by 125. And over here log 5 root over 5 is what? 5 to the power 1 by 2. So we are getting the answer by this way. If you want, you can do by this way also. I think you can proceed further. Okay. This one you write what? 1 by 5 cube. Then 5 to the power minus 3. So you will get the same answer to be at what? Minus 6. Try by this method. If you want to do in this method, you do and you show me by this method also. Okay. Okay, you show me the answer in this method. You have done in this method. Okay, fine. Or you write and you show me the answer in this method. Okay, both of you have to show the answer in this method. Okay, change of base. Okay, this one you try by yourself, this method. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is easy only. Question number 9. Question number 9 shall I do, or you can do by yourself? You can do by yourself, right? What is the relation? The base you can change to 10. Change the base to 10. If you don't get the answer, if you have any difficulty, consider this to be as x. Yes, just consider this to be as x. You will get the answer in that way also. Or change the base to be 10, like that. Okay. A little bit I am doing that one. Number 9. Complete you will do. Number 9 also is homework. That is what? Log 10 to the power minus 4, right? 10 to the power minus 4 and base is what? 0.1. Or not? 0.1. So over here minus 4 log 10 and over here what? 0.1. So I know the base common link is what? Common link is 10. 0.1 is also what? 1 by 10. So the common link is 10. So 10 is there. So simple, I will do like that. This way it will become very easy. So what is 0.1? 0.1 is what? 1 by 10 base 10. Now 10 you can 1 by 10. How you can write? 10 to the power minus 1 or not? 1 by 10. Over here the power is what? 1. If I reciprocal this one, 1 by 10 to 10, the power will become what? Minus 1. So like that you do, you will get your answer. Okay. You will get your answer to be as what? Minus minus, the answer will be 4. Okay. So this one you complete. This is your homework. Last question. Let us do the last question. Question number 10. Question number 10. That is 2 to the power minus 1 by 3 log 64 base 2. Okay. Okay, there is one what new in this question. There it is 2 to the power. Forget about this 2. Suppose this 2 is not given, then the question is very simple. So forget about this 2 for a while. Forget about this 2. Okay, say this 2 is not there. So say now minus 1 by 3 log 64 base 2. Solve this one. Forget about this 2. So this will be equal to what? Minus 1 by 3 log 64 I can write as what? 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 4 16. 2 to the power 5 32. 2 to the power 6 64. 2 to the power 7 128. Okay, so some powers keep in mind, it will help you in the questions. Okay, so 6 will come from, that is minus 1 by 3 into 6 will be log what? 2 base 2. Minus 1 by 3 into 6, this is what? 1. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, that is what? Minus 2. So what is the value of this? Is minus 2. So now 2 to the power minus 1 by 3 log 64 base 2, 2 to the power, what is the value of this? What is the value of this? Minus 2. That is what? 2 to the power minus 2. Very simple. Now if you want make this power positive, if you make this power positive, you have to reciprocal the base. What is the base? The base is 2. So what is the reciprocal of 2? The reciprocal of 2 is what? The reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. As soon as you write 1 by 2, as soon as you reciprocal the base, the power will get what? The power will change its sign. Minus 2 will become what? Plus 2. So now if you do, what is 1 by 2 square? 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So our answer is what? Our answer is 1 by 4. Okay. So we will stop here today. In our next class, we will start from question number 2. Any doubt regarding today's class with the laws, proof of the laws, and any question, you can ask me, okay? And whatever I have said, one homework I have given about change of base, right? And another one, forgot what I have given. Question number what? Okay, forgot what I have given. So whatever I have given the homework, you do and you show me, okay? So that's all for today's class. Thank you.